Subscribe to the channel and keep watching.
Hey creatives, hey! Welcome back to the channels. I hope everyone is safe and doing well. I am where? In my foyer. So I worked my way from the family room to the kitchen, the dining room last week. This week, I'm going to do my entryway. Um, it's a small space, so there's not a lot of work to be done. So what I want to do is take the camera, go around the space. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do, but I do have some ideas. So you guys know I'm moving some things around in the space. So I've just purchased a new cabinet a couple of weeks ago, and right now it is in the living room. I say cabinet, but it is a stand. That's what I want to use in the hallway, and the table that's here is what I want to get rid of. So what I want to do is show you a little look at what the hallway looks like, and then we can go ahead and get started changing it around. So here is a look at the foyer. This is the front door. Of course, I don't have to do anything to that. I'm not going to be changing the rug, but I want to change this table, get it decorated for fall. This table I'm going to swap out with the one in the living room and put this one in the living room. But I will be decorating it for fall. And up here, I'm not sure. I'm either going to change this picture or this picture. So I will be replacing those. So this is going to be a short video. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start by getting everything off this table and moving it. Whenever I move a piece of furniture, I take the time to clean out those spaces that I can't reach or don't get a chance to clean when the piece is there. So the spindles on the stairs, I mop my stairs, but I can't get between those spindles. So now that that table is gone, this is the time to do that and clean up the entire area before I bring my new piece of furniture in. I don't know about you guys, but here in Northwest Indiana, this summer we had so many spiders and they lay these little eggs. So if you notice, I'm taking my mop and I'm also cleaning my baseboards. I want to make sure that it's all clean and nice before I bring my new table in. But these spiders have really driven me crazy this summer. Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they didn't know was wrong. And all the nasty things you've done. So baby. This is the stand that I got from Amazon. And I decided to go ahead and
put it here in the hall. I think it's the perfect size for the space, and it won't take up a lot of room. It won't interfere with the door. It won't interfere or make anything too crowded in this area. And this is why I decided to put it here.
She said she'd never turn on me. What you did, what you did. All this pain you said I never do. But I do, but I do. Yes. Come on. Oh my God. Here I am. Once again. Top of the world. What you want, don't you know?
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
This picture I had for, I want to say, probably 15 years. And it was hanging in my family room, but I decided to try it in the hall for the fall season. It does bring in the color orange, and I think it'll go really, really nice in the space.
Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Are you?
And over here, I think I just want to get rid of the wrought iron piece, and I'll just put this metal leaf here. Again, it's fall, and we're going to keep that fall leaf pumpkin theme going.
Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies,
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes. Baby, now I got the flow. 'Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. 'Cause what they did, they know was wrong. And all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. Now she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. But you did. You lied to me. All this pain you said I never do. You lied to me. But I do.
So let's just head on up the stairs and do a complete tour of the entryway. I added the candle holders to the top of the stairs. I also added flowers in my Dollar Tree pot. But let's go ahead on up and take a look around the entire upstairs. Again, we're doing the entryway or hallway, and this is a part of the hallway. Here's yet another picture from that $14.99 shower curtain. And here I had the hardest time getting this metal picture up, but I did get it done. And here is my DIY mirror. Again, this is what's upstairs between the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. Absolutely love what you see when you look from the upstairs downstairs. This is what you will see. I love it. And as you walk back down the stairs and look up, again, you will see all of this from the bottom. Of course, you can't see the flower, but you can see everything else. DIY pictures, master bedroom, bathroom, and the 2 guest rooms are here. My family gallery wall on this wall, and my beautiful mirror to get some of that light from downstairs to pull it in the dark space. because this metal flower is in such a difficult space, it won't be coming down. It will be there for years to come. Now as we go back down the stairs, this is the landing, and this is what you see when you spin around. On the landing, as you spin around, you're looking at another piece of metal art, and it's more leaf art, so that's why I left it downstairs with the fall decor. And on this wall, I moved this picture from the family room because of the orange color, and I just love this picture. I've had this picture for probably 10 years, and I paid about $15 for it. She is just beautiful, so I love her. And I think she works perfect for the hall. So when you enter the door, this will be the first thing that you see, this piece of art. Also, you'll notice how dark it is upstairs. That's why I added the mirror to bring some of the light that's down here upstairs. Now my table, of course, is an Amazon find. I will link it. My pumpkin is from Burlington's for $6.99. Be thankful. The white pumpkin is last year Dollar Tree. Also, the orange pumpkin at the bottom was $4.99 Burlington's. My florals, the white ones is from General Dollar for $3. And the orange one, of course, is Dollar Tree for $1.75. The white vase on the bottom shelf was 75 cents from Dollar General. Everything else on the table I already had. I just wanted to make the table a little bit festive. Now the book, Vogue, this came in a set of 3 from Amazon, and I will link it in the description box below. I want to say it was Chanel and Monet, but I will link them in the description box below. Now I just need to concentrate on my living room for fall. Oh, but before we're done, I wanted to show you guys this. This was an Amazon find. I got these little slippers. It was 6 pair, 3 pair of gray and 3 pair of white, and I put them in this box for a guest. I'll leave a link for those as well. I truly love how my entry have turned out, but you all let me know what you think. On that note, that's it for this video. I want to thank you all again for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.